What's going on, guys? Matt over at Easy Auto Spa, and today we have another unique repair. This is a 2021 Ford Bronco. It's the new body style. It's a really great looking car, and it was unfortunately in a recent hailstorm. This client opted to file an insurance claim and choose our shop to bring it to have the repairs done. And when they came in, they were excited about getting the dents taken out of. You can see them all over. They were excited about getting the car looking right. And they also noticed that we had some really nice shiny vehicles in the shop. And they said, well, I've got scratches on my car. What can I do to get mine looking the same way? Tell me about this ceramic coating. Well, we looked over this vehicle and it has a little more than scratches. It's been really well loved. They've taken it off-roading. They've had some run-ins with some tree branches. And this is gonna need a little more than just a traditional paint correction and ceramic coating. This is gonna be doing something called a 3-stage, even into a wet sanding correction to get some of these scratches out. The great news is, it's an incredible use of their time. For hail damage, there's always a few days where we're waiting on insurance to come in and actually inspect the vehicle, waiting on insurance for approvals, for parts orders and things like that. And we're gonna maximize that time by offering a full paint correction, basically to get every scratch that we can possibly get out of this vehicle, get it looking incredible, and then ceramic coat it once the hail is removed. So this truck's not gonna just get picked up dent-free. It's gonna get picked up virtually scratch-free, looking probably better than he did when he picked it up. We're even replacing some of the badges that he didn't like the way they originally went on. He's reordering them. We're gonna do that for him. So if you're getting anything done, if you're getting a hail damage or dent done and you're interested in getting another service while it's here, we can really maximize that time, maximize your budget, and make it where when you get your vehicle, it's not just a dent or a correction done. We can offer some protection, and we can really make it look the way you had dreamed it would look. If you have any questions, swing by one of our shops, give us a call. We'd love to help. Thanks so much.